Hi, helicopter. What are you doing? Hi, car. I'm learning the months. Oh, can you teach me? Okay, there are 12 months. Ready? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Yay! Good job, helicopter! Thank you! What are you doing? I'm learning the days. Wow! Teach me too! Okay, there are 7 days. Ready? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Yay! Good job, Car! Learning is fun! Yes, let's learn more together!